any plans na magkaroon din kayo ng collab?
Oo, pwede na ba sabihin yun? Hindi ko alam eh. Siyempre may mga plans. So, we're already working on my next album. So, we're gonna, actually after vacation, so ito na yun ngayon, mag-meet na kami about the new album. So yun, and si Zia, ang nakakatuwa talaga is lahat na na-encounter ko na musicians or old friends from way back. Lalo na pag first time nila marinig, makakuha ko ng text or ng email tungkol sa kanya. So nakakatuwa. And her song is doing well, especially sa My Music Store. Diba?
Yeah, thank you for joining us, My Music Store.
Ayan.
Yeah. May live version ng Basically doon.
Yeah, yung My Music Store, we have OMG remix by DJ MOD. And gumawa kami ng live version ng Everything About You and also Basically.
Oh, si Zia, tapos na ba? Sorry, kinat ko. Sorry, Gemma.
Ano yung, ano pa ba?
Nasa cover sila ng People Age. Ano ba? Working Mom ba?
Working Mom, yeah.
Working Mom, ayan. Si Mijasha at si Zia. Ano pa? May kasi ba?
Malamang tuloy na yung season 2 ng ano.
Oo, in-announce na niya.
Any chance na yung songs nyo naman yung...
Oo nga eh. Palagi kong chinichika si Cheek. Si Cheek yung si Cheek yung creator. Sabi ko, Cheek, yun naman yung song ko dyan. Oo, sana, di ba?
Okay. How about yung the soundtrack? Meron bang specific single na...
I don't know. The soundtrack will be launched in 2 weeks in ASAP. Ano yung first single?
Single?
Meron ba?
Ito naman sasabi ko, nagtatanong ko.
Siyempre.
Hindi kasi it will be released by Universal Records.
Ganito, invite kita ulit for that.
Separate
invite
lang.
kita, sana hindi ka late. Sorry. Hindi invited mo kayo lahat doon. Anyway,
Ricardo, umayos ka. Sa camera mo.
Sabi nila mo. Anyway, ilo-launch in 2 weeks time yung Kitchen Musical soundtrack. Hindi pa ata sure kung anong single. Kasi kung ano nang tinatanong mo, hindi ko alam kung may alam. Anyway, hindi pa alam kung anong single. Kamusta? Ano ka? May tanong po. Sino may tanong? Ito.
Your song kasi, pinabalikan ko yung lyrics. Para siyang You Belong With Me and Mine ni Taylor Swift. So, what's the...
Ayun yung lyrics.
Inspiration behind it?
I guess going back to my last album, it was like one of the most depressing things. No, but sometimes, diba, like, kunwari, for example, me and my girlfriends, whenever somebody has a breakup, we go to the video and we sing our hearts out, and that's what it was like. But after that, it was like, that's why the lyrics are parang, you put me in the ICU. And then I found my smile. Because sometimes you just really have to take care of your heart. I mean, you have to acknowledge that it's badly beaten or whatever, and go through your emo moment. And then after that, you're just gonna have to flip the coin and say, I'm happy again. So,